Try and fight for more. It doesn't work, then you say how could I?
Hi guys, apa kabar? I'm Yazik, I'm a singer and a vocal coach based in Warsaw, Poland, and I'm here to react to Shila Amzah, and I think that I reacted to her a long time ago. Is this the lady who sang Listen? I think so, but I'm not sure 100%, let me know. I remember I liked the performance, but I pointed out a couple of things, vocal things, and some of you were mad at me, if that's her. I think it is her. But I keep getting requests to watch her performances, so I thought that this could be a good one. The song in the beginning, in the intro that you heard, is my first single, so please check it out. I'm gonna be posting a music video to it on the 12th of October, and I'll do a live stream on YouTube. Yes, on YouTube, because I'm throwing a party to promote the single and the music video, so you're invited as well. It's gonna be at 9 p.m. in Malaysia and Korea. No, it's 10 p.m. in Korea, 9 p.m. in the Philippines and Malaysia, and 3 p.m. in Poland, 12th of October. Okay, no more advertising, sorry for doing that. Let's check what she's got and enjoy the performance together. Shall we? Okay, so 3, 2, 1, go! Speechless. Raungan Suara. That's Chinese. 是是。I recognize this language because I sang in Chinese myself, so I can recognize some vowels and some, you know, sounds that are made with vowels combined with consonants, so this must be in Chinese. Speechless, Raungan Suara, and so it must be in 3 languages then. Awesome. Okay. Is she good in Chinese? Let me know, because I'm not a native.
But I won't cry, and I won't start to crumble whenever they try to shut me or cut me down. I won't be silenced, you can't keep me quiet, won't tremble when you try it.
I love that one. Silence, silence. Amazing. You gotta have a lot of control to kind of go from your chest to falsetto and be so much on pitch and sounding great. Good job so far.
All I know is I won't go speechless, 'cause I'll breathe when they try to suffocate me. Don't you underestimate me, 'cause I know that I won't go speechless. Terukir adat berkurun lama.
Is this Malaysian?
Saja menjadi boneka, tak mampu menderita karena semangatku memanggil. Mereka terai segala beban yang memandang. I won't be silent.
This is amazing. Like when she sings in Chinese, she's kind of toned down. When she sings in English, she's got this different tone, very pleasant, very rounded and yet so girly, and she opens her mouth a little bit different, so it creates a different sound. But when she sang in Malay, it was much more powerful and much more forward and much more, her vocal cords were zipped up much more. So this is so interesting. Wow, okay, I'm learning more things about her. And the growl was good as well. I gotta point that out.
You can't keep me quiet. Won't tremble when
Tremble.
you try it. All I know is I want you speechless, speechless. Let the storm in. I cannot be broken. No, I won't live unspoken. 'Cause I know that I want you speechless. Takkan terkurung lagi. Ku takkan berdiam diri.
That D5 was good, was really good, and again, when she sings in Malay, I know it's the climax of a song right now, but her voice gets much more intense, you know? Nice vocal choices, and I think it's her, it's Shila. Yeah, she sang Listen, and it was a long time ago when I reacted to it. And I remember saying like, this song is a little bit too hard for her, but she pulled it off, you know? But this song suits her much more, and I'm learning more about her vocals and abilities, and this is recent, so Listen was probably a long time ago, so she must have, you know, gone through some training or just experienced more. She's really nice, and you know, she's singing loudly, but she's kind of like, she looks as if she was like a girl, you know what I'm saying? It's like she has the power in her voice, but it's still gentle in a way. So even though she's growling, she's not growling, she's growling like this, and it's still gentle. That's interesting quality.
Sayapku kan ku tebar bawa jauh ke angkasa. Semangat membaraku, raung suara. Kan ku berdiri teguh sepenuh daya. Dengarkan raungan suara. Suara berdiri walau resah mengharungi.
In the beginning, I wasn't sure if it was live, but now I'm pretty sure it is, and she's doing an awesome job.
Ku tetap teguh berani. Dengarkan raungan suara. Dengarkan raungan suara. Suara.
Nice. F sharp 5. Yes. Bravo, Shila.
That I want.
I hope your fans will not hate me that much as last time. They will have no reason, because I loved it. I loved it so much, and I feel like she knows how to place her strength in the song, and this was much more suiting her personality, let's say, than Listen. But let's not talk about Listen. We're here to talk about this one. So first of all, kudos for doing it in 3 languages. Is she fluent in Chinese? Can she speak Chinese, or she's learned it just to perform it in 3 languages? It's an awesome idea, and actually I came up with this idea with my supporters on Facebook, and we've already written lyrics in Malay and in Filipino, and I have to still write in Polish, and there will be in English, so I'll have 4 languages. But you know, it's an awesome job, and it's very impressive if someone can do that, and it's hard work. It is hard work. Very good head voice, and with the nice vibrato, you know, and you know, nice low notes and better placement than the last time. The only thing that I would work with her, if I had any chance to, I would probably work on her larynx position in high notes, so it goes a little bit lower than what it is. But you know, she's improved definitely, and she's a very, very interesting singer to me. And I was kind of hesitating reacting to more of her stuff because I don't like being honest, and I don't like when people are fighting with each other, and that's what was the issue last time. But you know, I'm glad that I did this, and I've just realized before, you know, a few seconds before I pressed play that that's Shila, and I'm glad and I'm happy, and thank you for this suggestion. Please subscribe and check more of the reactions that I do on my channel. Press the bell notification to be notified about my updates, because sometimes when you subscribe it's not enough. Thank you very much. Till the next time. Bye bye.
Try and find for more.